DJ White out.
That's all I could do, mama. I hope you hear me. Since I've lost you, I'm lost too. Nigga feeling like he at the bottom like a horseshoe. Sorry for the trouble that I put you in your heart through. God knows that I do anything for a part two. Or two, be praying for the day you come back to me saying that you forgive me. Give me another chance, I'm needing it like a kidney. I don't wanna advance, give me back her hands, give me back her touch. I don't ask for much, but I fucked up. I know I fucked up, I admit I fucked up, but everybody fuck up. Now this other nigga lucked up, telling me and my clique don't give a fuck, cause we from New Orleans, she was from Georgia. She was my down chick, I was a soldier, I was a gangster, she was my shoulder. You were the pistol to my holster, bang.
Never let me show, always trying to keep it under control.
I see you hiding it, mama.
You got it now, and you're well on your way to the top.
Doing your thing.